Yeah, once again, I'm looking at 0605 230 calls on Facebook. That's what I'm looking at. I would just like to see a break of this 229.48 mark. This would probably be a long-term hold. We could probably, I'm thinking, first stop on this would be the 200 moving average. And then from there, if it breaks that pretty quickly, I think we would let it run a bit more. But probably 200 moving average would be our first thing. So that'd probably be a solid. If you get the 230 call, that'd be some solid gains for sure. I am saying Facebook. We're about to hop in. All right, Kev. Once again, you guys can push back the or not the expiration, the strike price. 235 though would be my limit personally on the strike price. Maybe not even. Try and go 232.5 if you're gonna get in here. Moment of truth here. Actually, I'm gonna change it to the 232.5 really quick. Give us a little bit more room to run here. That'd be right around this mark. One second here. And yes, I just entered those 32.5s. 232.5 calls on Facebook. 0605 expiration. Woo, baby. Money, 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 money. A. Yes, Facebook. Do us like that. All right, I'm going to take profit on half here just because that's my own personal risk management strategy. But once again, you guys feel free to hold. Once again, took profit on half. Sweet. I think we're up around, how much are we up per contract right now? Around $20 per contract right now? Yes, Facebook. Let's go. Yeah, same here, Kev. I'm gonna let her run. I just took profit on half just because that's what I always do as soon as I see decent profit there. Add away, Chris. Nice 150 bucks. Let's go. I like the volume that we just saw on that. Thank you, Armand. Beauty. Beauty of a play. How'd you get filled at 138? Wait, are we looking at the same thing here? Hold up a sec, Hannah. My contracts are more than $300 each right now that I'm holding. Yeah, we got calls. Wait, Hannah, what contract did you buy? Because we got June 5th, 232.5s. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry that you forgot to change the entry, man. Or the date, I mean. I think Facebook has room to run to the upside personally, but I guess it's up to you, honestly. Is it still a good time to enter? Yeah. No, Phantom, I'm still half in Facebook, so we're still seeing what happens here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I have not made profit yet. I am still halfway in this. Yeah, this is right around my entry here. So, no, Phantom. Kevin, Phantom's attacking me, telling me to bring Facebook back up on the list. I'm telling him, nah, it needs to pump even more first. I'm not. I didn't take profit on both of mine yet. Only that one. Should you enter Facebook though? Once again, up to your own personal risk management. I am literally pretty much exactly at my entry right now again. Yeah, I'm seeing a 3.75 average. Oh, if you no, no. Don't get in it if you only have 400 buying power. Once again, only 20% of your account should be going into day trades or scalps usually. Oh, you have more, but you used it. Well, then this would probably be your last play of the day. I would not suggest it, but it's up to you, Phantom. B, is this a put? No, we bought calls. We took profit on half of them up here. So no, they're not puts. They're calls. AMD. Oh, I forgot about AMD, didn't I? Well, not quite yet. Let's see what it does to VWAP first before we hop into anything in AMD. It looks like it bounced actually clean off of this high of the day, making it an even stronger resistance line here. So I am liking the play off of the high of the day on AMD. Oh, that's not good, Phantom. Did you like lift yesterday? Or what happened? Oh, this goes against every instinct inside of me to keep on holding while I have profits, just because of how the markets have been lately. You know, you've been having to be so quick to take your profits. But I guess let's yeah, Facebook is being a bit shy. We saw that good volume on this big green though. So I do like that. Oh, it looks like it actually rejected off of the 2 days ago high. I didn't even see that before. That could be an important point there. Take a look at Shaq. Well, let us look. By the way, ascending scallop on Shaq. If you want to play that, I'm personally not. I used to play Shaq a little bit, but I just don't like how the candles move on it personally. I have other stocks that I'm a lot more comfortable with, you know, than guys. It's a trap. Oh my gosh. You're right, guys. That's not actually an ascending scallop. I'm just trapping you guys into getting in. Oh man. Well, guys, we are in profit on Facebook. For those of you who are wondering, am I thinking about taking profit? Yes. It's just because I'm not getting in it, Phantom. The secret behind it is that whenever I get into anything, what I do is I call up all of the mutual fund companies and I tell them all to either drop the shares or pump the company every time. Just joking, by the way. That is very illegal. I was totally just joking. No, Kev. Delete it right away. Going to the feds. It's just lawfully not right. LOL. Anyway, guys, I am looking. Well, here's my deal. I really do think we have room up to this 200 moving average, at the very least, back up to the top of this candle. However, my trading strategy would be telling me to take profit. You know, I probably should have, my trading strategy would have told me to take profit on both of those up there. However, I guess we can let this thing run a little bit farther. See what happens. Whatever. If we don't see a move by this next candle, then I guess I'll just take profit on it. But we'll see what this next candle brings us. MTCH. I'm assuming this is Vidi again, because I don't know anybody else's name that starts with a V. And it's V's iPhone. So, ooh, medical connections. Once again, man, I mean, just look at their candles here. You know, their volume is 6.7K. That is absolutely something that you need to stay away from 100% of the time. With only 6.7K volume, you can get absolutely screwed by this thing. So definitely 100% no go for me. Phantom, are you in profit on this, on AMD? Yeah, okay. Well, I would say see here if we retest this high of the day. If we bounce off of the high of the day, then I would suggest taking profit. But if we break through it, then you can probably let it run a little bit longer. Yeah. You're up more than 100%. Wow. Kudos to you, man. That's really good. All right. It doesn't look like this candle's giving us much, guys, so it looks like I'm going to be taking profit here. Oh, wait. There's more, I guess the candle says. Never mind. Yeah, actually, I signaled calls on AMD right at that turning point yesterday on it. I'm always speaking too fast. I'm sorry. By the way, guys, once again, a pretty solid point to take profit on Facebook. We do have a lot of room to run on this. I was just hoping for a faster move here. We are still in profit, so feel free to do what you want though. I exited the rest of my position right here. So, I guess Facebook did make us some money. We're promoting him just a little bit though, not too much. We don't want his head. We don't want it to get to his head. We'll move it like maybe right above Zoom, maybe below Disney, right above Zoom. Hannah, are you doing a limit or a market? Yeah, for sure, Hannah. I mean, it's just up to you which one you do. Personally, on stuff like Facebook or SPY, AMD, I usually feel pretty confident in taking market orders. However, generally, oh, good thing I took profit. Generally, I go with limit orders. Ooh, AMD. Are we about to sink or what? Yeah, 128 was stupidly high. Wait, but I'm still oh, it's because you didn't change the expiration. That's right. That's right. I forgot about that. Well, I guess that makes me what 26 for 27? Is that where we're at right now? 20, I think it's 26 out of 27. I'll post it so I remember. Well, looks like AMD is really respecting this VWAP today, which I like to see. So AMD play is probably going to be in our near future. How is SPY this high though? I don't freaking know. It makes absolutely no sense to me. Like how? How is the economy shut down and you're at 305? But once again, guys, it doesn't matter. We're traders. We trade options. We make money both ways. It doesn't matter to us which way it goes. Yeah, that is true, Hannah. That is true. Ooh, Walmart. Looks like it bounced off the first time, but it might retest here. Wait, you only made one Arizona on Facebook? How is that? I made like a bunch of Arizonas. Oh, you held it. Oh, yes. Let's see if Walmart rejects or breaks here, because we could definitely play Walmart off of this trend line. It's actually really strong. It's been respecting this trend line for a really long time. Besides this break here, this trend line's been really being respected. 700 buying power left. Well, let's see what Walmart has in store for us. Walmart. First, let's look to the short side here. Probably like 124 puts. Yeah, so premiums on Walmart are going to be right around probably like a 130 to 150. Nice. I would flex on you guys, Phantom, but I don't share profits. LOL. Anyway, let's see what Walmart does here. If it does bounce off, how many contracts do I buy on average? You guys are not dirt broke. Be quiet. Hush hush. Anyway, how many contracts do I buy at a time? I mean, it really does depend on the play, right? I would say anywhere from I would say anywhere from like, I don't know. Let's just say I usually go with double digits. That's what I'll say. Usually it's double digits on my contracts. Yes, sir. Anyway, though, guys, we're looking at Walmart here. Um, let's see what it does. I really do like this trend line to the downside. Let's check this out, though. What I'm looking at for Walmart is the 0605 124 puts. If it breaks and holds above, then we're going to enter puts. Or I mean calls. If it bounces, we're entering puts. Anyway, though, let's keep on scrolling here. Nice, Hannah. Let's go. Weren't you down $20 at one point because of that expiration? Nice. Well, $20, dude. Nice. That's awesome. Did AMD break the triangle? I don't really see a triangle on AMD. I guess maybe there's one starting to form. Ooh, ooh, ooh. AMD to the downside. Yay, we're starting to see some movement. That's always a plus. Back to the bottom, gotta do a 3K grind. Attaway Eric, 3.95. Let's go. Okay. AMD is starting to pick up volume here. Let's check out some AMD premiums really quickly. Probably let's check out those 0605 $52 puts. I just want to make sure that this isn't a fake out here. It looks solid to me, honestly. All right, I am going to hop in these right here. Wait, no. Let's see what happens to VWAP really quickly before we hop in. Cup and handle on Walmart. I will look in just a second here. This AMD play is kind of scaring me. Ooh, it did reject back off VWAP. Yeah, I'm shorting AMD, right? So AMD, what I'm looking at is AMD 0605, $52 puts. I was literally just about to hit the place order button when I saw that candle appear. You think it's a bear trap right now, Kev? It is starting to look a bit like a bear trap here. All right, let's just let this thing do what it wants to do, I guess. Ooh, Walmart bounced right off. I really don't feel like playing Walmart though. Let's look back at AMD here. There's a 1 mil sweep on AMD that just went through apparently. I don't see it. Bruh, somebody is shorting it with a mill. Ooh, okay, Isaac, quick question here. Why didn't that go through the special sweeps? Bruh, somebody just did a 1 mil short on AMD. 619.51 strike. Do you guys want to just copy this dude? Well, I think we've had some less than 1.5 mil. Anyway, though, yeah, I'm just gonna hop in these then. 0605 $52 puts on AMD. Entering right now. Okay, I entered. Oh, cool. We're already in profits. Oh, I should probably post this, huh? You're gonna have to go under your order status, Hannah, and then go under that order and then hit cancel. Oh, dang, AMD. Looks like we got in at the perfect time. And once again, I'm gonna trim probably probably like 2/5 of my position here. Just taking profit as we go, you know? Yeah, I'll trim 2/5 here. Sweet. Are you on your computer or laptop right now, Hannah? Silver Snarfer, which strat? Are you talking about my strategy with taking profits that I've been trying to start to do? Yeah, it's been working out okay. I do find myself ending up not getting as much profit as I could be on that final contract. So I might go back to just what I've always done and what I've always been good at. Let me tell you what my average was. Give me a sec, Phantom. Let me tell you my average here. Yeah, I got a 1.13 average. So I am actually, let's see here. Yeah, I'm actually still in profit on all of mine. Bruh, how'd you get a 1.18? That's no bueno. Yeah, a little late. Not too bad. You should be fine. I'm gonna take profit on another fifth of mine here. Actually not quite yet here. We're gonna wait for this green candle. You already just took profit and took the 2 Arizonas real quick. LOL. Hannah, I will say one thing about Schwab that you might want to think about is that they are really good when it comes to market orders. They do generally get you really good fills. GK, you got right back in again. Nice AMD. Cool. I can't believe somebody just did 1 mil in AMD puts. That's kind of a lot of money, not gonna lie, to put into one play. Like, bit crazy if I say so myself. Phantoms in an accidental straddle here. Love to hear it. Yeah, Kev, they must know something. Well, what do you guys say about letting AMD run a little bit here? Um, once again, I am already out of 3/5 of my position. No, the VWAP is white right here, man. Hannah, the VWAP is this white line up here. Yes, ma'am. Hold up a second. My dog is asking to come into my room. I'll be right back here. All right, guys, what did I miss? Nice, Mary Rose. I'm glad to hear that you're making profit with us. Hey, I'm glad to have you. You joined us a while ago, didn't you? I remember you being in the chat more than a month ago, or maybe it was about a month ago. All right, I'm gonna take profit on another AMD here. So once again, I only have one left. Also, guys, send all the profits from today in the profit section. Send the profits from AMD. I guess I mean IWM was a pretty small scalp, but AMD has been around 10% or so. What else did we get into? I'm trying to remember. We were definitely Facebook. That's right. Send profits from Facebook too. Some of you guys made some really nice gains. Anyway, if you guys did make nice gains on any of those, please send them in the profit section. Also, guys, another kind of concern right now for our AMD play is we're seeing the volume going down with the trend here. So we don't like that. That generally means when volume's going down, when there's a clear trend, that generally means a reversal is coming. However, we'll see if this candle picks up volume before we get out. You want to see SQ die. Yeah, Hannah. I mean, we did cut at a really good time. I don't think we were down that much on SQ when we cut it. Nice, AMD. Nice. Yeah, I'm just going to take profit on the rest here at everyone. Let me signal it. Wait, does that make me 27 for 28? Yeah, 27 for 28. Nice, guys. You have 50 buying power left. All right, Phantom. GE it is then. Nice, Brendan. Dude, let's go, guys. Yeah, GE moves too slow for me sometimes, not gonna lie. Dude, Vic VD is killing it today. Is he in the chat? I can't tell. Hey, yo, Vic. Are you in here, homie? Oh, are you Armand? Is that Vic? Yep. Awesome, bro. Looks like you're killing it today. I just saw your profit picture. Nice, man. Really is the way to go. Dude, out of way. Keep up the good work, man. That's awesome to see. All right, guys. Still hungry, though. I'm still trying to get into some more plays here. Once again, Spy's flat. Spy's pretty much out of the picture, it seems like today. Oh, QQQ. We missed it. Can we? We did kind of miss it. That's a bummer. I'm not going to lie. Phantom, are you talking about those AMD calls that you picked up? Ah, shoot. That's all right, man. I mean, you'll be okay. We might see a reversal here. We might see it bounce off of the 50-day. You never know. The accidental straddle. Ah, yes. Once again, guys, the reason why I got out of the rest of them there was just to be safe. Low of the day area, 50-day moving average area. It's pretty sketchy. Um, you don't see SQ falling. I mean, you guys have a lot of time on this thing. It definitely can. My concern is the reason why I got out was just because I didn't see the risk reward there anymore. Because if it re-enters this ascending channel, we could see it pump up big time. We would have to see it break, but awesome. VD, did you get into that AMD play? Nice. I'm glad you made some money. Dude, not gonna lie, it kind of scares me how accurate this bot is. Like, I don't think the bot I think the bot had one losing trade. It's kind of wild. Kind of scares me. I feel like it's gonna replace me someday. Uh, Skynet. What is Skynet? Well, so Trinity, yeah, I'm talking about that, but I'm also talking about the key level alerts, right? The key level alerts doesn't have anything to do with people putting money into the market and stuff. That's what I'm talking about. But yeah, the special sweeps are pretty good too. What do I think of Riot? I'll look at Riot in a sec. Let me just go through the watch list really quickly here. Make sure we aren't missing anything that's about to happen. Yeah, the key level alerts, they're right under the dark pool prints. Usually there's only like one or two of them a day, but they're like that's what the Nvidia play was today that a bunch of people made a lot of money on. I don't even know what Win is, but we'll check it out. Is it a oh, it's a casino company, huh? Hotels. Yeah, they're pumping. It's good for them. Bro, if you want to risk $24, why not, I guess. Let's check out GE really quick. Maybe we do hop into a GE play just for the lols. Well, first off, definitely a bearish trend right now on it, right? With what we're looking at here, this type of thing. So actually might be a good time to short it. Oh, Riot, that's right. While I'm looking at Riot, I do not play with news at all, personally. So I would just stay away with trying to play the news. I mean, once again, if that's your thing, if you're really good at it, then do it. I just find myself, I never play off of the news. I don't find it a very, effective way of trading. I usually go with technical analysis. If you're going long term, maybe a little bit of fundamentals, but that's about it. Riot. Okay. So what we're looking at here, it has decent volume, by the way. It has a solid 7.26 average volume. What I'm looking at here on Riot is some sort of, trend line support here. So if you're trying to get long on this thing, you could buy in at the next hit of the support. It's actually in a pretty decent ascending triangle right now. I really like this play actually on Riot. So basically, Vidi, this is what I'm looking at on Riot right now. We see that trendline support coming up and that trendline resistance coming up as well. And we see it bouncing in between these two. So you could keep on playing it bouncing in between the two. Another thing you could do is play the momentum trade. And once when it breaks this, you can play it to the downside. You're in June 19th calls. Okay, so it is looking like it's going to approach that resistance pretty soon. And so it'll probably bounce off that resistance semi soon. Anyway, back to scanning for plays, right? QQQ may drop here. Oh, by the way, Chris, if he's still on here, it seems like Apple is still respecting these two support and resistance lines here, if you're still scalping off of these, but for sure, for sure. We might see some pretty decent consolidation in this area here. If it takes it to the downside, I think I'm going to play a downside play on it. I don't think I would want to play this to the upside right now. Just too much uncertainty up there. But downside is definitely an option. Well, I mean, this actually is a really nice upside play too. Right? Cup, handle, whatever, and then break is what we would be looking for. Yeah. We'll just watch Apple. It does look like we're gonna have some plays on it coming up here really soon. Maybe even by the end of today. If not today, then tomorrow. But that's what we're looking at on it right now. Yeah, it looks like AMD is bouncing off of this moving average here. Oh, we should have played that bounce. I knew it. Power hour Zoom call again. It'll depend. If I see any setups that I'm planning on playing, I will set one up. That way, you guys can get a better entry with me and stuff. However, we'll see. Because yesterday, we had that power hour Zoom call, and there was literally nothing that happened, just because markets were not doing much. But if, like I was saying, if for some reason I do see something that I want to play, then I would love to do one with you guys. Man, the coffee is especially good today. Not gonna lie, guys. Oh, also, good thing that we took profit when we did. Nice job, guys. Well, Kevin, you made one Arizona per contract. I think most of us took profit earlier on it, so we made a little bit more. I did. I don't know if I got a better fill than you, though, on the entry. I think it was just the exit. I was a bit smarter about that. $3. What's $3? Hey, I like this Kroger play, by the way, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, did you get a better entry than me? Oh, I got the better entry. Yeah, I think I probably did. By the way, Kroger's also a play that we're going to be watching today. Kroger descending channel. Let's just go over them really quickly. Kroger descending channel. Apple. Where's my Apple? Oh, there it is. Right, consolidating in these, we can play it to the downside. What else? Or we can play the bounce, honestly. Bounce off of VWAP seems like a really nice play right now on Apple. AMD we were watching. Walmart will continue to watch against this trend line here. We'll look at either probably the break of this trend line, but yeah, probably the break of the trend line. SQ is not really doing much. Okay. Let's see what QQQ ended up doing here. Kroger definitely has downtrend on it right now as we were talking about that descending channel. We can either play it to the downside of the bounce here, or we can play it to the upside with a break. I think if it breaks this descending channel, we'll see a decent pump, at least up to the VWAP. If it bounces, it may stay in this for a while. Let's look at the Kroger spread really quick, because if the spread's pretty nice, we could definitely take advantage of this right now. Well, actually, Phantom, this play is only actually the spread's pretty big on it. That's all right. Anyway, yeah, thank you, man. Have a good day. I'm glad we can make you some money today. Well, guys, I'm not seeing anything right now in the market. So I think we may want to call this live Zoom trading session it right now. Uh, guys, of course, I will signal in the Kanji 500 challenge whenever I enter a play while I'm gone. I'm just not seeing really much right now. Yeah, thank you, Ferrari. Once again, if I see anything during power hour, I will definitely get on. Yo, what's up, Brian Lee? Dude, more coffee. Oh, can I check Piton? Yeah, of course. Looks a bit messy to be an ascending channel here. Actually, maybe it is. Yeah, it looks like it's got a decent trendline support on it. Maybe actually a resistance on it too. Yeah, I like this. Oh, well, thank you guys. Actually, just a heads up for those of you guys still in here, I do like this piton play. Actually, that just got brought up to my attention. As long as we bounce here, you're trying to play the break below. I think I'm gonna try and play the bounce here if it bounces here. Once again, though, we shall see. Bro, so Vidi, how can you manage so many positions at the same time? I've always found that the sweet spot for me is right around 3 to 5 positions max. Oh yes, the good old force green action. Hmm. That's pretty much it, MVS, except for I actually like it a lot more because we have a lot more going for it too. We also have the 200 moving average as well as this trendline support. So it's kind of like the VWAP strategy, just with a lot more support than just the VWAP. Unless this breaks to the downside, then I guess we short it. Anyway, while we're waiting on that, I guess I know I was about to end it, but I guess we'll go with one more. We'll look one more time through the watch list, see if we see anything. I guess first off, I'm going to get alerts here. Beautiful. So we have alerts on both sides of Apple. Nice. AMD looks like it broke below. Russell 2K, I suspect will keep on dropping here. May bounce off of the 50-day though. Dude, 2.88% a day is so good, Kev. You don't even understand. Like, if I could do 2.88% a day, I would be so happy. Of course, you're sizing in obviously more of your account into positions than I am. However, that's still an insane amount percentage wise. Yeah. You think you can hit 2K by next week? That'd be awesome if you did. Hmm. Oh, that's right, because you blew your $500 account once. Yeah. Well, man, slow and steady, honestly. Once when you start trying to just do huge plays, all of that stuff, yeah, you're gonna start getting in trouble. You know? Dude, Chris, how about Spy right now though? Look at how slow this thing is. I mean, I shouldn't say slow, but how freaking choppy it is. It's just it's a joke, honestly. Ooh, key level alert. Dude, honestly, I sleep on the key level alerts way too long. Or way too much, I mean. Netflix. 418.05. Oh, it's playing that. Okay. Let's check out these Netflix here. Hmm. I'm trying to decide whether to get into this or not. I don't know if it's too late on this or what. You're probably gonna have to go with like a 1 day till expiration type play if you want to premium under 500. Hmm. I'm deciding whether or not to get into this right now. All right, GPS, have a good day, man. I think I'm gonna go into it. Just YOLO like a single. Oh, what just happened? Dude, what is going on with my computer? All right, well, I might just take profit on Netflix here. For those of you guys who got in, I'm not feeling ballsy right now. And besides, the bot always screws me over when I go in. So, profit time. Cool. I made a quick, like, maybe 2% on that. Hmm. Anybody play that bot sweep? Or not sweep, the bot key level alert on Netflix? Nice, Hannah. What are you getting compost for? Um, what do you think can hit the 4 mark? V? Yeah, I made let me tell you guys exactly how much I made on Netflix, but I got out of it. I just took profit. Yeah. I made what is that? 20. I need to do quick maths. Yeah, I literally made 3%. That's fine with me though. 3% isn't bad. Tony, talking about doing a challenge. Nice, Eric. Uh, I don't have plans to do one soon. I suppose we can though. Um, I don't know. It's been kind of nice not having to do it because it's really hard, honestly, to do. Just because I have to do trades on like 2 different accounts at the same time, stuff like that. Reversal on AMD. Dude, what is happening right now? Apple too now? No, not you. I said I want to play to the downside, not the upside. Aye. Aye, aye, aye. All right. could just simulate it. Yeah, that's true, we could. I mean, we have been pretty consistent with the 500 challenges I've done, Trinity. You know, the first one we did got to around, I think it was like 1,500 area. The second one we did was right around 1,200. And then I think we did a third one, and I think it was at right around, yeah, actually, Hannah, you're right. I could do that. Walmart. Walmart's right at View app right now. Did Piton bounce? I was just about to hop into it when I got into Netflix instead. Oh, yes, Piton did bounce. That's all right. Well, guys, after that Netflix fiasco, I guess that was some easy money. Didn't even have to think about it. The bot just did it for us. I'm probably going to sign off this time, actually. I'll let you guys know if I see any setups, whatever. If I see anything during Power Hour, I'll sign back on with you guys. Vidi, before I leave, though, I just am curious. How was your first day of trading with us so far? Have you enjoyed it? What do you think? Is Vidi even still on here? Ah, I'm glad, man. Awesome. So generally, so I don't like to commit to doing the live trading 5 days a week. Usually, like we say, we do it 2 to 3 times a week. However, since we started doing it, I have done it every single day, besides when I went on vacation. So we do generally do these every single day. Usually the first couple hours. You know, as you see, like we've been on for like 2.5 hours now. Um, yeah, honestly, I agree, Chris. It's honestly a lot easier for me too because I can explain everything to you guys, you know, over voice, while in the Discord, you know, I'm trying to like enter plays while texting you guys, telling you guys stuff. And yeah, I agree, Chris, especially with how much scalps we have to be doing with this market. Good stuff. Anyway, all right. I'm glad you're enjoying it, VD. Seriously though, Chris, that's fun. Yeah, I really do love it. I think it's a lot easier than Discord, personally. So like if I didn't have to signal on Discord, I would totally prefer this. But for sure. Anyway, thank you all for getting on. It was a pleasure once again. If I see anything throughout the day, whatever, I'll let you guys know. I'm gonna make myself breakfast and then I'm gonna be back to trading. So it was a pleasure. Yeah, of course, guys. Thank you all.